Hello, hello, hello everyone. Let's start again. The episode 7, my favorite. Okay. ឥឡូវយើងតមកទំព័របន្ទាប់ទៀតយើងមើលឲ្យហើយទៅ vocabulary vocabulary okay adjectives okay ពាក្យហើយនឹងគុណនាម write okay write the words យកសរសេរពាក្យទាំងនេះ This pizza is delicious គេឲ្យយើងឧទាហរណ៍មកណាអញ្ចឹងណាគេរៀបជាអក្សរមកយើងបំពេញវិញគុំពាក្យនេះពាក្យ adjective នេះ Number 2 your sister is really nice okay nice កន្លែងនេះយើងដាក់ nice I ណា N I C E nice okay our house is great G R A T E A T ណា G R E A T ណា great okay ហើយលេខ4 I'm really happy today ណា happy today នេះ happy H A P P Y happy okay យើងមើលលេខ5 our English class are okay interesting okay interesting our English class are interesting Paris is a beautiful city beautiful city beautiful city Rain again the weather is terrible the weather is terrible okay terrible យើងមើលម្ដងទៀតលេខ8 oh this coffee is floor this coffee is floor យើងមើលទៅតទៀតនៅទំព័របន្តទៀត Match the word and pictures match the word and picture new old expensive cheap big small hot cool right brown black white okay យើងមើលទៅឧទាហរណ៍ទី1គេដាក់ឲ្យ it's big it's small okay ហើយនេះ it's hot it's cold នេះនៅតែមិននេះពី it's expensive it's cheap ហើយនេះលេខ5នេះ it's black it's white នេះ it's new it's old okay it's no it's old okay ហើយនេះ it's right it's wrong it's right it's wrong okay យើងមើលមកបន្តទៀត Listen and complete the conversation ស្ដាប់ហើយបំពេញនៅឃ្លាសន្ទនា It's so hot today I know ស្អីគេញ៉ាំ It's so hot today I know ស្អីគេមើល It's so hot today ហើយស្អីគេមើលដាក់ថាម៉េច Okay yeah Another mate. It's so hot today. I know. It's 95 degree. It's 95 degree. It's 95 degrees. Okay, let B. Hey, I like your again. Hey, I like your new shoes. I like your new shoes. ทำไมสำหรับเชิญทำไม Thank you. I think they're really nice. Yeah, they okay. They fantastic. Fantastic เนี่ยอะไรนี่อย่างนั้น fantastic yeah fantastic okay อันนี้อย่างนั้นมั้งเลขใบ I live in a very gay I live in a very small apartment I live in a very small apartment How many bedrooms do you have? How many bedrooms do you have? Only one. Only one. Okay. Letter 4 người ta thêm mày. How much? How much is that cost? How much is that cost? How much is that cost? Okay. $150. Wow. That too expensive for me. Wow. That's too expensive for me. Letter 5 Is your name Peter? Is your name Peter? Mama, is your name Peter? Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's right. Nice to meet you, Peter. Nice to meet you, Peter. Okay. In pairs, practice the conversation. Chẳng dừng practice tới nó khả năng hãy mơ mình vô bỏ mình ba nấy chăm sửa được rồi ok đang ngày bình nắng